Welcome to the Boiling Point. Ritchie WARE, Steve Taylor. I know you know this guy. He's been around a few times, but if you don't know him, he's actually in our rental division and runs that rental division. Now, Stephen, one of the things that we've done over the years, I know, is we obviously do the steam rentals, the boiler rentals, but we've been doing a little bit more hot water. In the past, we've done hot water with the steam boilers. Maybe go through that and let's talk about a little bit of how we've done that.
Typically, like one of the trailer units over here, we would take a packaged shell and tube heat exchanger, slide it in that unit. When they get to the job site, they'd pull it out, take it to their source, run steam to it, condensate back, give them hot water. That way we can use that steam unit combination for steam or hot water, and that's worked really well over the years. Right,
and you can obviously size various things with the size of the heat exchangers based on the boiler.
Yeah, the other thing with that heat exchanger, it gives us a lot of variability. And I could put it on a job where it's 100 gallons a minute with a 200-degree rise, or the next job is 250 gallons a minute with a 20-degree rise, and use the same heat exchanger, so it's very versatile.
Right. So there are some applications, though, that maybe need something a little simpler, some hot water units, and that kind of brings us to this unit right here that we've got, that we've started to purchase more hot water units like this. Why don't you go through what this unit is used for and then how maybe it works?
It's strictly for heating load. It's not for domestic water, strictly for heating, hospital, any place that needs a bunch of hot water.
Okay.
And it's a complete package unit. We set it up, it's a little water tube unit. Atmospheric. We set it up to where it's small enough you don't have to have a semi. You can hook up, 3/4 ton pickup to it, take it to the job site, hook it up. All the flange connections are here. You can run flex hoses, hook into the building. Circulating pump is sized for the boiler. We got flow valves on it, control valves. So it's a complete package unit. It's designed to operate outside, so they can leave it sitting outside the building during the winter time, and it'll run fine for them.
What typical is the hot water application as far as how hot can you get the hot water?
Typically they'll run about 180. Okay. This one will go up to 220 if we need to, but 180 is typically the operating temperature of most of those hot water systems.
Now this one is actually a Wright boiler, which is a water tube boiler, basically.
Yep. Does a good job for us. It's really fast at coming up to temperature, real quick recovery time, so it does a good job for us.
Well, maybe for the simpler applications, you may want to ask Stephen a little bit about the hot water boilers that he's actually got now, instead of maybe using the steam. Now, I know you're not going away from the steam to the hot water, but these are something that have been added to the fleet. But we wanted to just kind of tell you a little bit of the difference between the steam and maybe just using a hot water boiler. Well, I guess we're done.
We're done.
All right, we're out. We'll see you next time on The Boiling Point. Appreciate Stephen stopping by and talking to us a little bit about those hot water units. Now, speaking of hot water units, I know it's August, September time frame right now, but you can be getting all of your piping and everything ready with some insulation on that piping. Remember that we actually did an episode on that on The Boiling Point, actually with Stephen. So make sure you like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. If you don't mind, maybe subscribe to the YouTube channel and share a video. We'll see you next time on The Boiling Point.